So we're in Pigeon Park in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Where people will feed the little pigeons. Wings are for flying, not frying. Go vegan. So I'm gonna feed some of the little pigeons.
You can buy the feed for $1, and then the birds will come right up to you. Oh.
Is that corn? Is that corn you're giving him? It's good because it teaches the kids to respect the animals.
Yup. He's eating it right out of his hand. They know a good vegan hand when they see it. They're a little skittish.
Probably from all the kids running
Yeah,
around.
they run around and they're so excited to see the birds.
Again, wings are for flying, not frying. They are not nuggets.
They're so friendly.
Cluck you, Chick-fil-A.
And these are pigeons that you see in almost any big city, but here they're so friendly. Just goes to show.
I can pretty much pet them. Cluck you, Chick-fil-A. Behind the back pass. Behind the back pass. Anyone taking?
Oh, here comes one.
Got the behind the back pass.
Oh, here comes another. He's trying to get his little noggin in there.
These pigeons are hungry. So don't eat the animals, go vegan. Check out mercyforanimals.org and meatvideo.com on factory farms where they torture animals from birth to death.
And come to San Juan where you can feed the pigeons.